At Morgan&Mallet International, we place experienced professionals within private yachting and luxury environments worldwide. We are currently recruiting a seasonal captain for a 19-meter classic private motor yacht based at the Yacht Club de Monaco. We are seeking a hands-on, proactive, and detail-oriented captain, confident in managing a classic yacht with a strong focus on maintenance, presentation, and seamless day operations. If you found this opportunity exciting and want to stay updated on more like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Don't forget to follow us on our social media channels for behind-the-scenes content, exclusive job posts, and more. The links are down below, so go check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.